And welcome to the Shatkin First Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm here with Tom Fitzpatrick, my partner here, buddy.
Good morning. How you guys doing today?
We got a lot of excitement to talk about.
We do.
We got a huge course coming up in November.
Yes, we do. It's our last advanced course of the year.
And who's going to be joining us?
So we have Dr. Gordon Christensen. He's going to come out and lecture on Friday. It's going to be the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, it's a Thursday, Friday,
So we're
Saturday.
doing a course on Thursday, a full day course. I'm going to be lecturing along with, who else is going to be joining us?
We're going to have
Jim Tharp.
Dr. Tharp's going to be kind enough to come out and lecture with you.
And Gordon Christensen's lecturing all day Friday.
All day Friday, yes.
And then we're doing something really special that we haven't done at one of our courses on Saturday. We're going to have an amazing program on Saturday. Dr. Tharp is going to do a lecture. What's he going to be teaching about?
So he's going to talk about his 40 years in implantology, and he's going to show cases that went very well for him and cases that didn't go so well, but he wants everybody to learn from that. And then he's going to do some virtual planning on software, virtually placing the implant.
We're going to teach people how to plan with a cone beam CT scan for placement of the implants.
Very knowledgeable.
And we're going to do a whole day on Saturday of hands-on training. It's going to be with Dr. Tharp and myself, and we're going to teach you how to place implants into short ribs and actual cow bone. We're going to be drilling into bone in our brand new preclinical dental lab. Some of you may know we're planning to open a dental school here. Our preclinical dental lab is going to be completed and ready to go November 15th. We're cutting it a little close, but we're going to be ready the 15th. So when you come out on the 20th, we're going to be ready to practice placing implants in bone, and we're going to be doing virtual planning. We're going to be showing you how to place implants in the bone, on models, and you're going to have a great experience. But the best of it is that you're going to get 8 hours of hands-on clinical training, CE hands-on training. So you're going to get 16 hours for Thursday and Friday of didactic and another 8 hours of CE credit hands-on on Saturday.
It's a great deal.
That's an amazing program, 24 hours of credit with 8 of them being hands-on CE. It's not easy to come by.
That's right.
How much are we charging for this? This has got to be a little expensive.
It's $9.95. It's the least expensive.
Wait a minute, you're not including the third day for $9.95, are you?
Well, I thought we should. Just because, it's close to Christmas and Hanukkah, so...
Really?
Yeah, maybe do something nice.
Do you know how much people pay for 8 hours of CE credit out there?
I do know.
You're going to give them the whole third day at no charge?
3 days for $9.95.
You're kidding me, Fitz. You never approved that with me. I got to find somebody else.
You're tied up in surgery.
Well, listen. For $9.95, you're going to get 24 hours of CE credit, and 8 of those hours will be hands-on training.
Yeah.
And we're going to have an amazing weekend. It's going to be fantastic. Gordon Christensen is just an incredible individual. For those of you who haven't been to one of our courses with Gordon, please sign up today. Space is filling up very quickly. We only have room for 120 people, and I think we're getting close. So sign up quick if you want to join us. And I'm going to throw something else out there. The first 4 people that sign up for this program that want to come in and spend the day with me in my office on Wednesday, I can take up to 4 registered dentists to join me on Wednesday. You can observe and shadow me all day Wednesday, and I will take the 4 of you out to dinner on Wednesday night. So we'll spend the whole day together and we'll have dinner together.
You
might be tired of me by dinner time. You may not want to be with me, but if you want to stick around to work with me all day Wednesday and have dinner with me Wednesday night, I think Fitz will join us too.
Yeah. Have you called anybody at McDonald's or Burger King to get a reservation? Yeah, that's always fun when we take the docs out to dinner. We learn a little bit about their practices.
The first 4 doctors that sign up after this Monday Morning Minute, we will have you out if you want to come out and spend the day with me Wednesday. You'll have to fly out Tuesday, but you can spend all day with me, shadowing me Wednesday. Then we'll have Thursday, Friday, Saturday together also. I look forward to hearing from you.
And don't forget, Doc, everybody who attends gets free masks. Okay?
Well, you don't even have to attend, but if you want some N95 masks, during COVID, we manufactured about 2.5 million of these beautiful N95 masks. And these are very breathable masks. They're very easy to breathe. They're easy to wear and easy to breathe. So I'm going to give you as many as you want. You can have unlimited number of masks. You can have 1,500 of them. You can have 15,000 of them, whatever you want. All I ask is for you to pay for the shipping. It's about $50 a case to ship anywhere in the country. Not a box, but a case. A case of about 1,500 masks will come to you free of charge. All you gotta do is pay for shipping. When we were selling these, we were selling them for $8 a piece.
Yeah, that's correct.
So
during the height
we're
of COVID,
talking about giving you 1,500 of them, and you just got to pay to ship them.
That's right. And
We've got
we
too many, and we got to get rid of them.
And we had a lot of doctors take us up on that offer last week. So yeah, it's a great mask to have, and you can use it for any dentistry or anything at home.
Come join us on November 20th, 21st, and 22nd in Buffalo with Gordon Christensen, myself, and Dr. James Tharp. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you on the next Monday Morning Minute.